Welcome! In this video, you'll discover how to mute an account's stories on the Instagram app using your PC, especially with the latest update. If you want a more peaceful feed without unfollowing anyone, follow along with these easy steps. First, make sure you're logged into your Instagram account on your PC. Once you're in, take a moment to think about which account you'd like to mute stories from. This feature is perfect for when you still want to keep someone as a connection, but need a break from their frequent story updates. To begin, locate the search bar at the top of your Instagram homepage. Type in the username of the account you want to mute, and select their profile from the search results. Once on their profile page, look for the button labeled Following right beside their profile picture and username. Click on this button to reveal a handful of new options. From the menu that pops up, select Mute. At this point, you'll see choices for muting posts or stories. Since we're focusing on stories, toggle the option for stories. This will instantly ensure that updates from this account's stories no longer show up at the top of your Instagram feed on your PC. Don't forget to click Save to confirm your changes. That's all it takes. Simple, quick, and discreet. You won't receive notifications from the stories of this account, and their stories will disappear from your feed. But they won't know you've muted them. You can still visit their profile whenever you like to catch up. And you can reverse this setting anytime by following the same steps and switching the stories toggle off. Take full control over your Instagram experience and make your feed your own. If you found this guide helpful, consider using these steps to mute any account's stories for a more customized scrolling experience. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.